Yeah.
I'll tell you what. You know, Hank, one of the hardest things to do is, I guess, and I've seen Hank ever since he was young until he's old like he is now.
Oh.
But he no longer lives in anybody's shadow.
Oh.
In my book, I mean, Hank Jr., a lot of people might get mad at me, but I think he makes his daddy look like a sharecropper. He's great.
Pretty good.
Here's the great Hank Williams Jr.
I looked over at my pillow, but your face wasn't there. I don't smell the perfume you used to wear. I don't see your blouse or jeans or your pretty white cotton gown. I've looked all over hell, but heaven can't be found. I looked on the bedside table, but your jewelry was all gone. And I just wish you'd call me every time I look at that phone. I looked in our dressing mirror, and I saw myself break down. I've looked all over hell, but heaven can't be found. I've called and looked in every place you used to hang around. I've searched in every bar and club. I've been in every bar and club from Detroit to Mobile to LA to New York town. And I don't know sometimes if I can